her around until she gives him what they need. Justine accepts to dance with him for a few seconds, leaving again when he tries to make her talk about the tagline. She meets with Michael and Claire in another room, although Michael soon leaves to give the sisters privacy. Justine apologizes to Claire, mentioning she knows how much the wedding has cost, and Claire says this is not about the money, because John is filthy rich and needs to shut up about it. She explains that she thought Justine wanted this and calls her a liar when she says she does, and that is why she keeps smiling. After Claire storms out of the room, Justine cries and starts reorganizing the books. Afterward, she goes to see her mom to tell her she is scared and she has trouble walking, but Gabby's only answer is to tell her to stop dreaming and get out of here. Appearing absent-minded again, Justine watches the guests dance while Tim insists on getting that tagline. After awkwardly staring at each other, she and Michael decide to drink some alcohol, hoping it will lift their spirits. She tries to talk to her dad but misses her chance when Claire asks everyone to go outside, where the guests write well wishes on paper lanterns that are then released into the sky and looked at through a telescope. Back inside, Justine stares at the party, unmoving, until Claire comes in and takes the bouquet from her hands to throw it at the guests. Afterward, Michael picks her up and takes her to their room, where they awkwardly and silently start undressing. Justine asks him if he could sit with her for a while, but when he does, he starts kissing and touching her, intending to consummate their marriage even when his wife is clearly non-receptive. This upsets Justine, so she leaves the room after asking him to zip up her dress again. She goes to stand in the middle of the golf course, where Tim approaches her to ask for the tagline again. Justine snaps and throws him on the sand before climbing on top of him to have relations with him. When she goes back inside, most of the guests are gone. She dances with her dad some more, and when he tries to leave, she insists on him spending the night there because she needs to talk to him. Dexter accepts and hugs her while Michael watches them from the window. Jack calls Justine over next, informing her Tim has been fired for not getting that tagline. Finally reaching a breaking point, Justine resigns by telling Jack that he is a despicable, power-hungry little man and confessing she